Hello guys, and welcome back to another video here today. So in this video I'm going to be sharing with you guys the best affiliate marketing program for any beginner out there who's looking to start an online business, create income online, create passive income, create a side hustle, or just make extra income online. This system can make you anywhere from $100 a day plus without you ever having to sell anything or cold call anyone. Now before we get started, and just for everyone to be on the same page, I'm just going to briefly explain what affiliate marketing is. So affiliate marketing is a business model whereby you promote other companies' products or services. In other words, where you recommend other companies' products and services, and then you get paid by the company each time someone purchases a product via your link. And the beauty about affiliate marketing is the fact that you don't have to go through the stress of creating your own product from scratch, buying any inventory in bulk, fulfilling or shipping out any orders. Your job is literally just to recommend the products and let the company handle the rest whilst you sit back and earn commissions per sale. It's honestly the easiest business model out there. Okay guys, so if you've been following me for a while now, then I'm sure you guys have heard me talk about this incredible platform called Funnelpire. So Funnelpire is an online learning and educational platform that sells anywhere from courses and ebooks and even resale right ebooks and digital products that can help anyone start and grow their own online business. Okay, so this is an online education platform that sells digital products that can help you create more financial wealth. So as you can see, there's resale right ebooks here that you can literally resell as your own, charge your own prices and keep 100% profit. And there's also online courses, so many different online courses that you guys can absolutely check out. Now we know what Funnelpire is all about. You're probably wondering how you go on to make money as an affiliate. So in order to make money as an affiliate with Funnelpire, you can just go onto the website and click on Become an Affiliate. And once you click on there, it's going to bring you to this platform right here. Now the landing page may look slightly different depending on when you watch this video, okay? So, but at the time of recording this video, this is what it looks like. So it's basically a landing page with a little bit of, a short video just there telling people what the program is all about and how they can start making money with the program. And there's obviously a few testimonials here as well when you watch that video, which is really, really good for social proof if you're going out there promoting the system, because it tells you that other people are already using the system and seeing results. So I'm not going to play the video, but you guys can absolutely check out the video when you go to the website, okay? Now, what you want to do, guys, is you want to go on and join the free challenge. And if you are already an existing member, you can go on and just log in here, right, to access your account. Now, I'm assuming that a lot of you guys watching this video don't already have an account. So what you want to do is just click on here to join the free online business challenge. And when you join this online business challenge, what is going to happen is your affiliate account is going to be automatically activated. So you can only activate that account by joining the free membership program, okay? That's essentially registering for the affiliate program because you're automatically going to be plugged into the affiliate program, okay? So you just want to go and complete the short form, guys. And once you register, guys, you'll be taken to the homepage that looks very similar to this, and you'll be able to access your free 7-day challenge. Of course, there's other premium memberships that you can upgrade as well into if you want to obviously see more results and make even more money. And I'll talk a little bit about the premium memberships more in depth later on in this video and what you get as a premium membership. But initially, when you get started, you join the free 7-day challenge. Everyone starts on the free 7-day challenge. And the reason for this is because we want to give people all the education that they need to understand how the system works and also learn the foundations of starting an online business, because there's nothing worse than going out there trying to promote products that you don't even understand how it works. So I highly recommend that you guys check out this free 7-day challenge. And within that 7-day period, guys, if you're like, okay, I think I kind of know how to start an online business and I understand how this thing works, you can then go on and start promoting the products and making money. It's that simple, okay? So if you're completely new to the online business, well, I recommend you check out the 7-day challenge if you have no experience how to start an online business and how to drive sales to your online business, okay? And you can actually go to the affiliate section here. And it literally breaks down everything that you need to know: how to get your website link, which is really, really handy, how to set up a payment account so you get paid, how to start promoting and earning commissions. And of course, if you wanted to earn higher commissions, then you can upgrade to the VIP membership. So when you become an affiliate, by default, you are going to be able to earn 20% commissions when you join the free challenge. So everyone is automatically going to be able to earn 20% commission. So even if you come in as a free member, you still have that opportunity to make money, okay? Now, if you wanted to earn higher commissions, then there's a 40% commission option and a 100% commission option. And I'm going to be showing you guys a little bit how that works as well, okay? And once you get your affiliate link, guys, it's going to be bringing people back to this landing page. This is the beauty about the system. You are not actually going out there to sell a product. You're promoting or recommending a free challenge to people out there. This is literally the easiest way to sell without selling. Now, look at it this way, guys. If you were going out there promoting a product, so you're sending people directly to a sales page saying, I have this course, it's $97, it's going to help you start an online business. What are the chances that people are going to automatically buy your product the first time they come across it? It's very, very unlikely that you're going to get people immediately purchasing that $97 course. Why? Because people are very skeptical now. They want to know that what they're investing in is worth it, okay? And unless you're really, really good at selling and converting strangers to paying customers, it's going to be almost impossible for you to get people to buy that $97 course, okay? So the conversion rates are going to be very, very small, and it's going to take you a lot more time to convince someone to actually purchase something immediately, okay? Now look at it this other way. Hey, I've got this amazing, incredible free challenge that you can join and learn how to start and grow your online business. You can check it out via the link in my bio. What are the chances that you're going to get people signing up? Very high, right? A lot of people are going to tap into this because number one, it's free. There's no financial commitment to them. They don't have to take out their credit cards and start thinking about, oh, what am I spending my money on? They don't have to think too much about it. It's a free training. It's a free challenge. They've got absolutely nothing to lose and so much to gain. So the conversion rates are 10 times higher than just trying to send someone directly to purchase a product. And this is why the Funnelpire program is one of the best converting affiliate programs out there, because you're literally going to be sending people to a free training, a free 7-day challenge that they can check out. And then when they come on board and they sign up via your link, the same way you signed up, they will automatically be able to access a 7-day challenge. And within that 7-day challenge, the Funnelpire team are literally going to be upselling all the products for you. They're going to be following up with the customers for you, doing all the selling for you at the back end. Here's the best part, guys. I didn't actually mention this, but every time someone signs up via your link, you get paid for just bringing in a new lead to the program. You earn per lead, even if they don't buy anything. Okay? So this is a great way to reward you for all your hard work, because let's face it, getting traffic, getting people to take action, getting people to click on your link and sign up to a program is not easy. It's probably taking you a lot of time to create content on social media or, create YouTube videos to try and get people to check out the program, right? So to reward the affiliates and actually say, hey, thank you for all your hard work, you are going to make money when somebody signs up via your link. Okay, now a lot of affiliate programs out there, a huge majority of affiliate programs out there only pay you if somebody actually takes out your credit card and buys something. So you could spend months and even years promoting the product and not making any money because people haven't actually purchased the product. And then you've got all this time, I wouldn't really say wasted time, but in a way it's wasted time because you're spending all this time growing your business every single day and nobody is purchasing anything, so you're not making any money. But you're getting all this traffic, people clicking on your links, maybe you're even running some ads, and you're not making any money because you're not getting a lot of people buying anything. But with Funnelpire is literally paying its affiliates for bringing people on board, even if they don't buy anything. This is like the best way to reward you for all your hard work, guys. So how do you make money as a Funnelpire affiliate? So as you can see right here, there's currently 3 different membership levels. So there's the free membership, which everyone is automatically signed into when you join the free challenge. There's a standard membership at $297 one-time fee and a VIP membership at $997. So how do you make money? So as I previously explained, the first way you make money, of course, is you get paid if anyone signs up via your link. So you earn money even if they don't buy anything. Now, this is the better way to make money, okay? So I wouldn't recommend that you only rely on free sign-ups to make money because it's going to take you a while to actually make any substantial amount of money. This is where you actually make the big money when people decide to go on to upgrade to purchase any of the premium memberships. So as you can see right here, you can literally come on board for free, and if you get someone else to sign up via your link and they decide to upgrade to any of those memberships, that's how much money you could be making by just joining a free program, guys. It's honestly that simple. So if you joined as a free member and someone signed up via your link and decided to upgrade to standard membership, you are going to make $59 for that sale, okay? So that's your earnings right there for just bringing someone on board to check out a free challenge. We do all the selling for you at the back end. So you don't have to worry about, I'm going to sell, I'm going to follow up with this person, because all of that has already been done for you. So you don't have to do anything but bring in as many people as possible to check out this free challenge that could literally improve their finances. Okay. If they decided to upgrade to VIP membership, guess how much money you're going to make? Almost $200, guys, for just recommending a free challenge to someone else out there. Now, this is a 20% commission, of course, as you can see with the free membership. So as a free member, you earn 20% commissions for any of the sales. Now, if you upgraded to standard membership, your commissions are going to increase to 40%. So you're going to be making double the amount of what you make as a free member. So it only makes sense to upgrade to standard membership, because if you're going to go out there and be promoting this opportunity or promoting this program as an affiliate, then you may as well make more money doing the exact same thing that you're doing right now. Okay, so what we've noticed is that members come on board for free and then they decide to upgrade to the standard membership. Sometimes they do that after they've maybe made a few sales, and then they have that extra money to invest onto upgrading. You even get your affiliate website promoted by the company as an extra. Okay, so not only are you earning higher commissions, but the company are going to go out there and actually promote your affiliate link for 3 days. Okay, so this is one of our most popular memberships because it's really, really affordable and you get so much value. Like all the courses that you're going to gain access to, each of those courses are valued anywhere from $97 to $397 if being sold separately. But you're getting access to all those courses, guys, all in one place for just a one-time fee. Lifetime access to those courses. Of course, as a VIP member, you earn 100% commissions. Did I say that out loud? Yes, 100% commissions. As a VIP member, you're literally going to get a clone of the website. You are going to be able to go in there, and if you wanted to change the prices of any courses or any programs, you can do that. It's going to be under your own business, under your own brand name, and you're literally just purchasing resale license to go out there and sell all of our courses as you please. Set your own prices, and every payment that comes via your website goes straight to you. Funnelpire doesn't touch any of your money. Okay, so this is the beauty about the system. You also gain access to one-on-one coaching. You also gain access to all these other done for you things, guys. Social media, your Instagram account, guys, is literally going to be promoted for you for a whole entire month by one of our social media managers. Social media managers charge a lot of money out there, guys, to promote your business, but you're getting the service included for free within your VIP membership. So that's just a few of the things that you get as a Funnelpire member. It's not just an affiliate program, but a system that you can use, learn all the strategies, guys, and implement that towards your own business. And you don't only earn higher commissions, guys, but you also gain access to all the courses that we have within our platform, in-depth courses, and I'll show you guys all those different courses in a little while. Okay, guys, so I just want to show you guys just a few of the courses that you will be able to gain access to when you upgrade to any of the premium memberships. So you can see there's a boutique business mastery course here. Let me just click on it so you can see what the sort of curriculum looks like. Very in-depth courses, guys. There's a dropshipping course here as well for those of you guys who want to start a dropshipping business. That's the beauty about Funnelpire. It's not just the platform that you have to go and then promote the actual platform itself. There's so many courses here that can teach you how to create multiple streams of income, how to go out there and make more money doing less work. Okay, look at this course on how to make money selling ebooks online. Very in-depth, you know, if you want to make money selling ebooks on Amazon, KDP, YouTube, how to start a YouTube channel and make money on YouTube. Look at that. Very in-depth course, guys. So many different courses here that you can tap into and start generating extra income online. It's not all about the Funnelpire program. You can use all these trainings, guys, to create multiple streams of income, to implement the strategies towards growing your own business. Just look at this course. Very in-depth course, guys. So many incredible courses here that literally been sold anywhere from $97 to $397, and you're getting access to all those courses for a one-time fee. Okay, like if this isn't the best investment ever, then I don't know like what else is the best investment. And as a VIP member, like I mentioned before, you are going to be able to resell all those courses as your own. Okay, so if you want to go out there and sell them individually, up to you, or if you want to sell them as a membership, which is what we recommend, because then you can charge a higher price for people to get access to everything, then you can also absolutely do that. It's up to you how you want to go about using this program. Okay, can you think of the number of people that want to learn how to run ads and they have no idea how to get started? You can literally charge so much money for that course, guys. Like your investment could be made in just selling one course. It's that simple. How to use webinars to grow your business. I could go on and on about all these courses, and There's more courses being added to the platform, guys, and when you become a member, you will gain access to all these other courses at no extra cost. Okay, and on top of the courses, you also gain access to resale right ebooks, guys, that you can go and resell as your own and keep 100% profits. Okay, so I hope you guys found this video useful in regards to the best affiliate marketing program any beginner out there can tap into. And if you guys want to join this amazing program, then be sure to check out the link in my bio or just visit www.funnelpire.com, sign up for the free challenge, guys, and follow the instructions, and you will find more information on how to start promoting the product as an affiliate. It's literally a matter of just, if you are here on YouTube, create a YouTube video on how to start an online business and get people to sign up via your link and start making money. It's that simple. The earning potential is really unlimited and really up to you how much money you want to make, okay? So if you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up, leave your comments down below, like, share, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in my next video.